Manny Penny going to Brisbane, leaving to today. Well, one more. Yeah, one more. Yeah, yeah,
Your idol.
yeah. Safe trip, Captain. Yeah, wow, wow, love it, wow, so sweet. All right.
You can get in the Philippines.
Don't get it in your eye.
Disco, Justin, Marcus. Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Good morning,
Good morning. Safe trip.
Mabuhay.
Mabuhay.
It's Money Penny to Fremantle,
Fremantle.
Australia. Molly, it is 2,245.
Wow.
Good trip, huh?
Like 3 weeks? 2 weeks.
Hopefully 2 weeks.
2 weeks, yeah.
See you in Subic.
Subic, yeah, yes, Captain. Thank you so much. I hope see you in Subic,
Oh, this is the barman.
Philippines. Yeah,
And what about Captain Guilty? Is he back in Subic?
back in Subic.
And then
Yeah.
go to London. He's gone to London.
Ah, yeah, I think, yeah. Okay.
Fully traded up.
Yeah. Captain, safe trip, ha?
Okay.
To all your crew.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
Yeah.
Thank you,
Thank you.
You're gonna go pick up the seaweed.
Yan, mga idol. Isang legendary na sailor yan, si Captain Larry. Yan. Dadalay niya yung Money Penny. Hi, Justin. Beautiful, huh? My friend, yeah. Hello. Money Penny.
Yeah.
Yan, ingat and God bless.
It's going to take 3 days.
Ayan ang mga kaganda. Na-deliver din namin to from Hobart, mga idol. Yan Money Penny. Sobrang ganda ng boat na to. Talaga naman safe trip, my friend. Yeah. Okay, thank you for the can. Alright, thank you so much. Yeah. Binabato lang sa atin yung mga kan ba, mga idol. Yan. Alright. Good luck, Money Penny, and good luck to all crew. God bless. Mga 5 minutes, alis na sila. Mga idol. Oh, 5 minutes yata to. Baka alis na sila. Beautiful day, good weather. Yeah.